So now I've pretty well settled in. I have some things decorated. Of course, my buddy Teddy and the dogs as well. The magnets wouldn't hang on the fridge, which was kind of a thing right off the bat. But anyways, that's okay. But also in my mom's paintings as well. But yeah, now I'm off to go to the grocery store to get something to eat because, yeah, it's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Oh wow, it's 8 o'clock and I haven't ate since the airplane food, which was meh. I better go get something to eat so I can survive the night. So groceries were a success. I got a backpack and a good old big bag of it, so I'll be able to at least survive and eat for the next week or so. But yeah, I look forward to going to bed. Fun story. Here I am trying to take a shower and I can't figure it out. I tried to turn this. Normally you turn it this way and it'll come out one way, and you turn it the other way and that goes. But it just doesn't turn this way, yet it'll turn that way. So yeah, I think tonight I'll be sitting on the floor having a shower until I figure this out. I sit here after a full day of trying to figure out what I can get done. Long story short, not much. I did get a Finnish number and I had to buy a prepaid SIM card. I figured, all right, that's my step to getting the mobile verification, which, or certification, whatever. Pretty much I have to have this in order to gain access to anything. The number that I have, or at least the plan that I have, doesn't work. So I'll have to go back to the company to figure out what's going on. Besides that, I also realized that I have some other issues that I need to go to Helsinki to figure it out, because yeah, if I don't have these things, then it makes things a lot more difficult. We'll figure it out. I know that it's only day 2, but still I would like to feel more accomplished. And I can't remember Denmark being this sort of confusing, but again, it's just a matter of time. Just trying to get everything done so that I can focus on other things. So we'll see what happens. Currently in the capital city, Helsinki, and today my goal is to try to talk to somebody to figure out what I need to do in order to get these steps done that I've been struggling with. Fingers crossed, hopefully I can get some answers today. Well, I have good news and not so good news. The good news is I found a place, but bad news is I need to make an appointment. That appointment could be in a few weeks, so as of right now, I have paper to try to figure it out how to make the appointment. I can try to walk in, but they have only a few slots in the morning, so pretty much I have to be here really early and hope to get one of those early slots. I think I'll make the reservation, and then if I feel like it, I could try to wake up early in the morning and make it to one of the early slots. Yeah, we'll see what happens anyways, but welcome to Helsinki. Helsinki is one of my favorite cities that I've ever been to. And some people say it's boring, but for me, I love how clean it is, how beautiful the architecture is, and just how calm it is in general. I think today is a good day to get out and explore a little bit because I've been too much in my own head recently, especially when it comes to trying to get everything done at once. But since I went to the office and talked to them and they gave me the reassurance that, hey, just come in for an appointment and we'll figure things out, that really meant a lot to me mentally. Now that I can make the appointment, get myself figured out anyways, I think that's really good first step, honestly. With that being said, it's time to go explore the city, and who knows, maybe I find something new or interesting during my adventures, because to be honest, I don't have much to do anyways. It's not raining, which is good. Time to go explore Helsinki, and I'll show you around.